So tell me, how did this journey start?
Well, this journey always started with me having a passion for creating something from nothing. And to me, I've always had that desire of fulfilling and making homes, renovating homes, and upgrading them to set standards.
And do you build them from scratch? Like, do you do like
Yes.
full homes?
We've had projects that we've built it as an additions. We've had projects of legal basements and so on. We're working towards like projects to start from scratch.
What's your most favorite part of your job?
One of the most favorite things about my job is to see the final look of our clients and the happiness of when we transfer their properties and make them look to what they have imagined to be looking like. We've had in the past clients that were looking for upgrading their home. They just didn't know exactly how to start it. That's where they contacted us. We've taken it from design. We've mocked up a plan for them and we've showed them how their homes should have the potential to look like. With our passion and expertise, I feel like we can build homes for people that have vision and turn their dream to reality.